Hello gentlemen, my name is Hassan Abakit. Our project called Child Safety Seat. The project has been advised by Dr. Nizar Taim and Mr. Ahmed Abu Hussein. There are many accidents leading to child death inside the car when the parent forget his child. Our goal in this project to increase awareness and decrease the amount of child death due to heat stroke and CO2 poisoning. The system includes monitoring subsystem, control subsystem, communication subsystem, power subsystem.
My name is Tamer Al-Ruweshid. Our monitoring subsystem consists of 3 types of sensors: temperature, CO2, and load. They are powered by 5 volts from the Arduino Mega, and they share a common ground. We have selected the LM35 temperature sensor because it has a linear curve and ranges from -55 to 150 degrees Celsius and is accurate. We have selected the MQ7 CO2 sensor because its operating temperature is from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius and its humidity is less than 95%. And the force sensitive resistor was selected because its range is from 0 to 100 Newton and its operating temperature is -30 to 70 degrees Celsius. The sensors provide information to the controller as analog reading, and the controller translates the analog reading to an actual quantity like degrees Celsius, parts per million, and Newton. When the force-sensitive resistor placed under the child's seat is having a detection, then the system will start monitoring the atmosphere within the car. If the temperature is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, the cooler will turn on. And if the temperature is less than 20 degrees Celsius, the heater will turn on. When the CO2 level is greater than 250, then the oxygen will be released into the car.
My name is Hassan Al-Ramdi, and I'm going to talk about the communication subsystem. The main goal of the communication subsystem is to send an alert message to a third party. And this is accomplished by using GSM model, GPS model, controlled by Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno will receive a high pulse from the Arduino Mega when the child has been left alone inside the car. The GPS will take the longitude and latitude of the location of the child. Then the GSM will send this information with a message saying that the child has been left following by the location.
My name is Yasser Al-Bakri. So now I'm going to talk about the control subsystem. The control subsystem is one of the 5 main subsystems that we have. For the control subsystem, we have 2 main microcontrollers. The first one is the primary Arduino, which is the Mega. The Mega is connected to the input of the switch relay, which is considered as the high voltage side. The switch relay has 4 channels. The first channel is connected to the input of the FSR. The input of the FSR will operate at 2 conditions: the LED and buzzer. And the second channel is connected to temperature, and the third channel is connected to CO2 sensor. The first channel, which is the FSR, it has 2 outputs, the LED and the buzzer. And the second channel, it has also 2 outputs, which is heater and cooler. The heater will operate if the temperature is less than 20 parts per million, and the second channel which is connected to the cooler, will operate if the temperature is bigger than 25. The third channel, which is the CO2, the CO2 sensor, the output of the CO2 sensor is the electric valve, which is connected to the oxygen cylinder. The system will operate if the first FSR is activated and the second FSR is unactivated. So now we will move to the second microcontroller, which is the ONO. The ONO, which is considered as the low voltage side, it has a main GPS and GSM. The GPS will take the reading and send it to the GSM, and then the GPS will send the location with the message to the parent. Also, we have a jumper that is connected from the Mega to the ONO to operate the Arduino ONO, which is considered as the low voltage side.
The power subsystem include high voltage and low voltage. The high voltage for electric bulb, cooler and heater, lid and buzzer connections in parallel. Low voltage for Arduino Mega and Arduino ONO. Finally, based on our calculation, the system shall operate for 5 hours continuously.